Yo, it is Cody Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the 502 bad gateway. So first of all, on your browser, click on Control-Shift-Delete, and you're going to be redirected to this page. Make sure you tick all of those, but keep in mind this will delete all your browsing history, cookies, and site data. So if you're signed in some website, it will sign you out. So you will need to sign in again, and then click on Delete Data. And then go ahead and try to enter the website. If the issue still continues, all you have to do is close your web browser, open any other web browser, whether it was Microsoft Edge, Firefox, just open it and go ahead and search for the website again. If the issue still continues, you have the last solution, which is go on the search bar, search for Control Panel, click on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, and then click on your network, which is this one. So if you're using Wi-Fi, it's going to be Wi-Fi. Right click, Properties, and then click on the IPv4 Properties again. Use the following DNS server address and just type 8.8.8.8, so 8.8.8.8, and then for the alternate DNS server 8844, and then click OK. If the issue still continues and you cannot access the website, it is most likely that the issue is from the website itself. It is not from you. So all you have to do is wait until they maintain the website, they fix the issue, and then you will be able to enter the website. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Peace out.